did not believe in Vastu. But when I met her guru also. They came to our office. I learned about the scientific basis with which the whole working is being done. I gave them the whole football field, that is my office. They did lot of working, and I found amazing results, absolutely amazing results. Okay, so for all of you non-believers, give her a chance. That is my only request. Now, what you have to think is, she is not the one who is doing. They are connecting you to the bigger universe, to the Almighty. Okay, जैसे बिजली गिरता है ना तो सीधा बिल्ड टक से लगा देते हैं अर्थिंग करने के लिए. So that is what they are doing, something like that. Energy कैसे कैसे मूव कर रहा है, कैसे कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं. This is what she is doing, and it is absolutely magical. Okay, so nothing for Sangeeta, but for the science which they are promoting in the market. Okay, so those who do not believe,